Hello and welcome to the Golden Arrow Community Site tutorial for how to set up a new account and get started with the site. I want to walk you through how to set up a new account. So this is for people who are brand new to the district leadership, or who need to start from scratch. We're going to come down here and you can see I have Google Chrome down here. This works with Internet Explorer or Firefox or any other browser, but come down and you want to start your browser. We're going to go ahead and start from the Google page because that's the most common place that most people will start from, is either Google or Bing or a similar search site. So first we have to go to the site. So to get to the site, we come up to this area, this address bar up here at the top, and we say ga-district.engine.com. And we hit enter. And it brings us to the Golden Arrow community site. Now once we're on the site, you'll see that I'm not logged into my account or anything, so this is exactly what it should look like when you come in. You should be able to see and look around the site and look at resources and read forums and all sorts of things, but the one thing that you can't do is you can't post or participate until you have logged in and registered. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and we're going to create a brand new account that we're going to set up and get going as a new user. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up here. The first step is we're going to click this thing that says register. So we click register and it brings us to the registration page. Now this is very, very straightforward. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to enter a username. Okay, so I'm going to enter my name, Sean Sullivan, and I'm going to call this test. Okay, and then I'm going to enter my email address. Now I've already got my main account, my administrator account is on that email address, so we're going to put in a different one. We're going to put in my work address. And I'm going to give it the password that I want to use for the site, which can be whatever password you're comfortable with. You're then going to click this thing that says, I am not a robot. Why? Because they don't want people and hackers coming in here and creating a whole bunch of accounts and wrecking things. So I am not a robot. We're all good. I'm going to say create account. Now, when I click on that, it's going to tell me that it sent an email to my email address and that I'm going to need to verify that address. If it hasn't arrived after a little while, you can click this button that says resend email and it will try again. In this case, I happen to have that email account pulled up right here. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to check my unread mail again. And there's my email from Engine. You'll notice it says Engine. Anytime you see emails from Engine, that means you know that they're coming from the site. Over here, it says, hi, click the link below to create your account. So by doing this, what we're doing is we're confirming that we, in fact, have control of the email address that we submitted. This is also the email address where notifications and emails will come to when we're sending out messaging, or if you are subscribed to something in the forum and are following a conversation, those notifications will come to whatever email address you have registered. So we'll go ahead and click this link and it will take me back to the site. And it will tell me my account was created, which is great. Okay, so then I can go to click here to go to the home page. And it has logged me in. And here we see it says Sean Sullivan Test. And here's my new user. So now that I have my new user account and it's all ready to roll, there is one last thing that you need to do. You need to come here to where it says contact us. So it's very important that you come in and contact us and give us a couple of key pieces of information so that we can get your account fully set up. It's important that we be able to assign tags to every user so we know what unit they're with, what position they have, what certifications they have, because it makes it easier for everybody to find the people that they need to talk to and for us to be able to send messages to the right people. So in order to do that, you just come in here to the contact us form, you put in your name, put in your email, if I can type. And you put in a quick message. And the quick message just really has to tell us really 3 things. 1, what is your unit? So I'm with Troop 288. What is your position? Now, many people have lots of positions. There are some people like myself that work on the district committee, and we have a unit position with, the troop in this instance. I'm also a unit commissioner, a whole bunch of other things. You should list all the things that you are. In this case, I'll say I'm an assistant scoutmaster. And then if you have any of the key certifications, we should have that. So if you're a swimming instructor, or you have shooting sports instructor or range master or something along those lines, or if you're COPE certified or any type of certification where people might be looking for your help, that they might need to contact you as one of many people that if they're having a camp or something, you want to put that in here as well. So I'm going to put in here range master, and I'm going to submit this. When I click submit, it is going to send this form to the administrator, form submitted. Once that's been submitted, the administrators will be notified and they'll set your tags up. Once you have your tags, you're completely set up and ready to participate. That's all you have to do. So hopefully that helps and makes it clear, makes it easy for you, and hopefully you'll get yourself signed up and get your tag set and enjoy the site. Now, there are other tutorials that take you on a tour of the site and explain all of its forms and all of its functions, and those are available in a number of places, and we'll have some annotations here for you to show you where you can click. Thank you very much for your time.